recording now. Oh yeah, they're pods. Oh wow. Look at how cute they look.
Cute.
Guys, look at these little pods. I know, cover our faces. Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh no, it's looking at my face.
Those
It's
are
not
pretty
gonna work,
cool.
but it's okay.
It's like a little.
This one I don't.
You smell? No, you can't. You could smell it from the. Wow, I feel like this one. Let me open this one because I'm curious because I can smell this.
Honestly, if their packaging is that good where you can't smell through it, I feel like that's actually better.
I can smell this one.
All right, let's see. Fresh. This is the fresh and clear with Himalayan pink salt.
Oh yeah, the different colors. These are
less better for sensitive skin. Okay. Oh, I think this one's the unscented. That's why. Okay. Duh. It says unscented here.
Duh.
Does yours say unscented? No.
No, mine is
scented.
Mine is scented. Mine's
Okay.
the spring one, I believe.
Redisposition.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Whatever
10
that
times
means.
ultra power clean. Clean in all temperatures. It uses in cold and warm water. Color protecting. 4D stain remover. Fabric care. Soft and gentle. Odor eliminator with Himalayan pink. I didn't know that Himalayan pink salt was like a cleaner.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
I guess it is because I have it in here.
Love this for us. Okay, so this is the unscented. No wonder we.
So that's fresh and clear.
Yes, the fresh and clear.
I guess
are
some
unscented.
people
don't like scents.
And they don't like scents, and sometimes they react to the fragrance in the
And these are for all machines. They're good for the HE. This is cool. Awesome.